Here's what to do if your Cinema HD app is not working. So first thing you need to check is if you have the latest update or the latest version of the app. In order to do that, just head over to the App Store. And then into the search bar, just type Cinema HD. And then open up the Cinema HD app and make sure that you don't have an update option instead of open on this blue button in the middle. Now, if you have an update option, just make sure to update the app and then try again. Now, if you're still encountering the problem with the app, maybe you have a problem with the app cache. So you need to clear that. In order to do that, just go to your home and then head over to the settings. And inside the settings, just scroll down till you find General, click on that. And then click on iPhone storage. Then you need to scroll down till you find the Cinema HD app. There it is, so just click on it. And once you click on it, you're gonna find an option or a button that says offload app. So just click on that and then confirm that you want to offload the app. Now, once you do that, another button is gonna appear that says reinstall app. Just click on that. And this will reinstall the app after clearing the cache. And the app should be working just fine now. However, if this doesn't solve the problem, then your best bet is to just delete the app completely and reinstall it. So on the same page, just click on the delete app button and then confirm that you want to delete the app. And then just go back to the App Store and re-download the app by clicking on this cloud button. And hopefully that fixes the problem. Hope that video is helpful.